Okay, hello students. I want to do a couple of lessons with you on your calculator, and we're looking at the mean and standard deviation at the moment. Now, let's have a look at something like question 5. We want to calculate the standard deviation of the following to one decimal place. So what I've got is a calculator, and we're going to try and enter this into statistical mode. So we're going to go mode, and then 2 for stat mode. Now we want to go 1 for one variable. So let's just enter in this data. So we're just going to go 3, and then we press equals to enter that in, then 3. So I'm looking at question 5 at the moment. 4, then 6, then 2, and then 1, then 3, then 4, then 7, then 5, then 3, then 2, then 1, then, oops, it should be 7, and then should be 9. So now that we've entered the data into your calculator, that will be stored in the memory of calculator. We're going to press AC, and then we're going to recall some of the stat functions. So we're going to go shift and stat. And for standard deviation, we're going to look at this one here. So we go click on 4. Now n is the number of scores, 2 is the mean, 3 is the population standard deviation, and 4 is the sample standard deviation. So let's have a bit of a look at that. So we'll have a look at the population standard deviation, and it's 2 and we want to round it off to one decimal place, so it would be 2.3 for the population standard deviation. Some of the other functions that would be interesting would be that mean. So we'll look at the mean. So the mean of that is 4. And we should also just talk about the 5-number summary from the medians. So if we go shift 1, that's mean, sorry. We get back into stats, we can find the information from that. So for example, the minimum, the maximum score, the first quartile, second quartile, and third quartile. So if we want to find the third quartile of the data, we just select the appropriate one, and it's 6.